The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, guys, I do have a course sale running until this Friday. Use the discount code in my community section of my channel for 50% off on the course. And I also like to mention that the information in my course, I would have to pay hundreds of dollars for. I remember I bought a course for $750, and the information I put in my course is probably just a fourth of that. So very valuable content and a good deal. And also, I do have a membership that I just started. I already provided 2 daily updates on the SPY, which I was pretty accurate on, and I'll be doing Tesla on Thursday for my members, and I'll be doing actually a commodity video this Wednesday. So go ahead and take a look at the membership. It's by month, so you don't have to pay a large upfront fee, and you can just try it out and see how you like it. So let's take a look at Meta platforms. Basically, we dropped down pretty low last week. Looks like we hit the 122 level before we saw a bounce. Looks like we're still going up, but I'm not sure how long this will last. It definitely looks like it's just temporary. So let me go ahead and draw some channels on this chart and figure out what's going on. So I believe this channel is definitely valid. This one right here. You can see the prices are still inside of it, meaning there's no signs of weakness in this downtrend. So basically, even if we do see a breakout of this channel, most likely it'll probably still continue lower. So that low at the 122 most likely is not the bottom for this stock. Looks like we could be going lower in the future. I still think we're going to reach the $100 level. You can see there was a measured move right here. Drag this down. This target was reached. If we continue lower, it just makes sense to combine the two. And if we do that, prices are headed towards the $101 level. So let's just say $100 to make it sound good. So it looks like we're headed for the $100 level. It's actually at the bottom side of the channel, since we just got rejected from the top side, we should be headed to the bottom side. I don't think the market is that bearish. You can see this channel is pretty shallow. It's not steep. This over here is a steep move down, and then we kind of went on a flatter channel. So I don't think we're going to go to that $100 level just yet. I think we're going to see a pullback. Let me show you guys the reason why. Because we broke out of this level right over here at the 156 level, and we have not seen a retest of it. So basically what I think can happen is we're going to see a few legs up, maybe even to see a breakout of this yellow channel, and then a few legs down to reach that target sometime the end of this year or probably first quarter of next year. So I believe this is the pattern to play out. Is it going to happen? Maybe, maybe not. But as of right now, it looks like we are seeing a pullback. I do see this pullback continuing higher. It looks like we did see a breakout of this micro range just a few weeks ago. So if we saw a breakout of the micro range and prices are reversing, looks like we can see a breakout on the top side right over here, and might as well just continue higher because that's where this resistance is for the channel, and this breakout needs to be tested. It doesn't have to get tested, but most of the time you'll see breakouts test before continuing lower. So basically, I do see a short-term bright future for Meta platforms. I do see this pullback occurring. We could just get rejected from the 141 level because that's the top of this range and then continue lower. But let's just assume we're going to continue higher, and that's what I see based on the chart. As right now, if more candles print on the chart, I might change my opinion on this stock. But what's not going to change my opinion is we're going to reach this $100 level. As long as we don't break above the 183 level, which would be very hard to reach, I believe this $100 target is going to be hit one day. So that's all for Meta platforms. Let's switch it over to the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here we have the weekly chart for Meta platforms, and we just kissed the 2018 lows. You can see that we pretty much touched it, and then we got some type of support immediately after touching that 122 level. So like I said before, we broke the 2020 lows. We pretty much touched the 2018 lows, which probably be broken in the future. So right now we're just seeing a pullback because, again, this was support in the past, so we could act like support again. And also we're extended from the EMA. Every time we were extended from the EMA, you can see we saw some sort of pullback occur, either in the upward formation or even a sideways formation. So basically we're probably going to see the same pattern again. Actually, on the channel, on this weekly chart, I could probably draw a channel something like this and connect the bottom. So it could be something like this occurring on the bottom, and if I drag this to the top, just in a flatter channel. So you can see this trend line on the bottom is pushing up prices, so it looks valid, but so that tells me that we could see a pullback also. So that's basically all I have for meta platforms. We hit that 122 level. Most likely it's on the bottom, but we're not going to reach the $100 level probably tomorrow or not even in a month. Looks like we're going to probably see a pullback. Prices should pull back for that 155, 156 level before seeing hard downward pressure. So that's all I have for meta platforms. I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye. What's up, traders? The Vee Trades membership is finally live. I know there were a few people who were asking for daily updates on the SPY or even more specific chart videos, so this membership will solve your problems. This membership includes a lot, so I wanted to go over what is included. So once you join, the first thing you're going to notice is that you get a private Discord community. You know, this is where you can ask questions. Also, I'll be posting the SPY recap, the daily SPY recaps on here. It's going to be probably just a picture and a paragraph explaining what has happened during the day and if it affects the long-term view. Video is not really useful because one candle is not going to really change that much. So the picture will definitely help. I'm going to keep my channels on there, and we're going to see if the channels are changing throughout the week or the prices are still within them, and if we can still believe that long-term target will be reached. So basically, you get the private Discord community, you get daily SPY recaps, you get to ask me questions via privately or through the member group. So I know this sometimes people ask on YouTube, hey, like, I think the price is headed here or whatever, what do you think? And it's not easy for me to explain with just words. It's easier if I just send a picture to you or post it in the group, and then you guys will get it much quicker. You can also post your own predictions. I know there's a lot of you guys who also do TA, and you want to post your predictions, see which one's more likely to occur. That's also fine too. So also you get a member only video, which includes 4 different charts. So this is gonna be Commodities Wednesday, and we'll go over Bitcoin, gold, silver, and oil. So those are the things I like to track myself. Oil basically dictates your gasoline prices. Bitcoin also too, very important because it's a very high risk, high reward play. So we want to know where that's going. Gold, silver, basically, if you know gold and silver, how that's doing, you can see how like pretty much the dollar is doing. They're kind of like inversely correlated sometimes. And then lastly, we'll have a special weekly member only stock video. I'm pretty tied up on YouTube, and again, like I'm going to mention, I'm gonna continue to do Meta Tuesdays, Baba Fridays, and SPY Sundays on YouTube. So I'm not really taking anything away from including this. This is basically for the serious chartist. Basically on YouTube, I give you guys, if you picture a sandwich, I give you the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the pickles. But if you want everything, if you want the buns and the meat and the mustard and the ketchup, then you can join the membership. So that's the extra stuff that you won't find on YouTube. So lastly, the special weekly member only stock video. That's every Thursday, and we can go over like Tesla, Apple, Google, just one of them based on popularity and whatever is chosen. But basically, that's everything included in the membership. I'll give you guys 2 discounts. Basically, if you're the one of the first 30 people to join the membership, you're gonna get $4.99 off. That's only $10 for the first month. It's a trial. I'm not sure how this is gonna go or if I'm gonna continue doing this. So I want to give you guys a discount if you're new. So the first 30 people will get $4.99 off. So that's only $10, very low risk. And I know for sure you're gonna get a lot of value out of this. And the second coupon code is for people who bought my course. You're gonna get a little bit more. It's 50% off for 2 months. So that's basically $750. Very low risk also there. So if you bought my course, I'm gonna help you out and give you 50% off for 2 months. So the first 30 people to join, use the coupon code FIRST. And then if you bought my course, let me know and I'll give you guys a special discount code, and I'll just verify your email address in the system. So that's everything I have for the Vee Trades membership. I know it's gonna be really fun. We can finally talk privately with each other more quicker, and I know it's gonna be a big benefit. So go and join today, and I'll see you guys in the Discord group.